Facing the reality of a terminal illness can be overwhelming, but it's important to remember that you're not alone and there are ways to manage your experience for greater comfort. Prioritize pain management through palliative care and communication with your medical team, and consider having an advance healthcare directive to ensure your preferences are respected. Surround yourself with loved ones, engage in activities you enjoy, and listen to music to uplift your spirits. Rest is crucial, so allow yourself to take breaks and seek assistance with daily chores. Stay comfortable with extra blankets and adjust your environment to alleviate breathing difficulties. If you encounter nausea or constipation, consult your doctor for appropriate medications. Ultimately, focus on emotional well-being, cherish your relationships, and make choices that provide peace and comfort in your final days.